Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have an unboxing of Revell 69 Dodge Super Bee 2-in-1 124 scale, skill level 2. And here's some info on the kit itself. You can pause it there if you want to read it. And this kit came out in 2001 from Revell Monogram out of Morton Grove, Illinois. It is kit number 852363. Oh, nice. Give you a couple different paint options there, choices if you'd like. That's cool. I like the orange one myself. Not a big fan of those flames. I mean, they're okay, but just not my style. That is beautiful, though. I love that. Alright, folks. Well, this one, like I said, came out in 01, so that's, what is that, 23 years old already? Wow, I can't believe it. Can't believe how far, or how fast that's going by, guys. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut this open. You can see me doing it on camera there. Here's the plastic. So for the first time in 23 years, this one's going to see the daylight, or light of day, however you say it. There we go. Go ahead and open her up. Oh, molded in white, this one. That surprises me. There we go. And the glass is loose right on top. So we'll go ahead and, well, a lot of flashing. We're going to go ahead and set that aside to protect it. And by setting it aside, I put it over here next to a semi-truck. Let's see here. We'll take this out. I'm going to go ahead and dump this whole box out, mix it up a little bit here, guys, just to get the box out of the way. Here's some chrome, instructions and decals. We'll set that there. There we go, nothing else in the box. So I'm going to start out with the tires because they're right here. No name on this side. They're all skinnies. And no name on this side. Wow, that's interesting, folks. I can't believe that. Usually there's something stuck in there, but nothing. No name brand tires, guys. These are all generic. We'll call these Walmart tires, I guess. I don't know what else to say. Alright, tires are gone. So we have stock, God, I think they were called, no, they weren't rally wheels. Rally wheels were the ones with the holes all the way around them. But these are, I'm sorry, I can't think of the name of these wheels off the top of my head, but these are like the stock version for 69. And then you have a custom version here, if you'd like, which look like weld wheels or center lines. And we have the grill, very nice. The tail panel, rear bumper, front bumper, tricarb setup up here, air alternator, a mirror, I believe, or a spotlight, I can't tell yet. Some valve covers, air cleaner for a dual carb setup, or possibly for the 3 carb. Well, here's dual carbs here. And then we have the a chrome boost, brake booster and master cylinder, chrome shifter. Some little bits here at 64 and 68. Not sure what those are for. They could, oh, you know what? These 64 are air cleaners for the tops of the dual carbs. And 68, I'm not sure. I'll have to look those up when we get into the instructions. And there's something here too, front of a blower and the back of the blower. Alrighty, that's it for chrome. Decent. And then one bag, molded in white parts. Cutting that open for the first time since 2001. The bag is a little yellowed and sticky, static sticky. Let's see here, nothing in there, that's good. Here's the body. Beautiful body, guys. Nice thickness. Very well done. A little slick, a little bit of, I don't know, something there, and it's got to be scuffed off to clean it up. Interior's decent on the engine. Got battery molded in and the overflow bottle or windshield washer solvent bottle there. I'm not sure. I think it's windshield washer because the line runs up the back into the washer pump. So there we go. Nice 69 cornet. A little bit of flashing, real thick flashing. and where it was busted off the tree itself, that's going to need to be filed down, sanded down. There's a little chunk missing out of there that could affect the rocker, but you might be able to hide it. The old vent windows, which I truly miss on the new vehicles. And here we have the interior with minimal detail. There is some in there, but not much. Got clutch, brake, and fuel pedal there, and emergency brake to the left, or parking brake I should say. Growing up we called it the emergency brake. And here, what I didn't notice is that just like the Impala, the Cornet and Super Bee in that had a piece of trim that went back here. Now again, may have been a speaker for the radio, I'm not sure, because there's nothing up on the package tray to show where speakers would be. So that may very well have been a speaker. Pretty cool. Then we have the hood that is already cut out, which I'm not crazy about. I'd like to have seen a solid hood, but this one has a scoop that goes on it, which would be nice. And I see in there that there's another option for a hood here that would be for the blower. See the difference? This one's got the cutout for where a blower would go, and this has got the one for the hood scoop, which I'd most likely use that one because that's more my style. Here we have the engine, which is a big engine, most likely 440, because I don't think it's a Hemi. Let me look on the box. Whoops. Yeah, it doesn't say, but well, like I said, we'll get into it on the instructions and say, oh, you know what? Maybe it says on the bottom. On there. No, that in fact all that says is that the kit has 65 pieces in it. Water slide decals. See, sometimes it gives you details on the car itself, the kit, what it has in it. Okay, 440. It does have it, guys. It's a 440 V8 wedge engine. Powerful, one of the best looking Mopar muscles of the era, which I agree. My favorite is a 70 though, but that's neither here nor there. So we got a block, big block, some heads, the whole K-frame member, little tiny fan belt and pulley system there. This I believe is the bottom of the air cleaner. Dual carb intake manifold. Set that aside. I already showed you this hood. On the bottom there's no detail. And some miscellaneous engine parts there. These little blocks I believe are like riser blocks for the springs for the rear end. Here is a blower intake manifold. And here we have the dashboard, which is nicely detailed. Radiator and radiator support. Steering wheel, 7-bladed fan. Stock exhaust manifolds. I thought that was a shotgun at first, but it's some kind of framing filler panel for the front end, I believe. For the can you see the box? This piece down here that goes under the headlights. That's what I believe that is. It would go that way. Here's the leaf springs and the full exhaust, standard exhaust, drive shaft, steering column, distributor, water pump pulleys, timing chain cover, not pulleys, water pump and timing chain cover, oil filter built in, fuel pump built in, shock absorbers, the rear tail panel for the vehicle itself. Very nice. And then last but not least, radiator core support, back of the seats, fronts of the seats, back of the wheels, and the chassis, which is nice plastic again, very nice. The kit that I did previous, what was that? The 69 Ford Galaxy had a nicer feel, a nicer thickness to it, but this is very similar. And it's really nice. I like it. You could really pick out some details on this one. I like that a lot. Oh, it says something in here. It says 1983 Revell monogram. So this kit was reissued. What did I say? 2001? Yeah. So this kit originally was 1983. They made it. It looks like, according to that. You can check out on scalemates.com to find that out more. All right. Here are the decals. We got the Super Bee stripes, which are nice. I like those. Super Bee license plate from California. 6-pack, 446 barrel, some other little things. Can't tell what they are. And here's some sponsored decals, which are cool if you want to put them all along the body of the car. Gardner's Speed Shop. Sting U2. That's the Illinois plate. Got the Super B's. Nice. Very nice. STP. I grew up with that stuff. There you go, guys. That's the decals. Alright, now, last but not least, we have the instrucciones. Put them up there. During 1969, Chrysler Corporation developed a second version of the Super B. There you go. I'll sit it there for a second. You can pause it if you want to read all that. And here's some tips and tricks on modeling. Remember, there's that 800 number. Go ahead and give them a call. See what kind of response you get. All right. I'm done being a smarty. All right. Here is engine build, engine assembly. Sorry. And you custom, stock and custom, custom version, more detail on what to do. Okay, those other little pieces of 68, they're the bottom of the air cleaner. I didn't realize that's what that was, so I'll figure that out real quick. And your suspension goes together, real simple. Times 4 times. Your rear, no, that's the front still. Drop the engine in. Here's the rear. And then, let's see. I want you to push the wheels on, but don't glue them. Okay. Okay, here's them little spacer blocks for the leaf springs. I thought so. Drive shaft, risers they call them. Here's your windshield, mirror. Putting the radiator system together with the support. Your dashboard, satin black custom version, paint flat red, paint shaded area flat black with silver details. All right, that's a nice tip. Here's your chrome shifter, gloss black, flat black. Okay, detail completed interior assembly. All right. Yep, there's that panel that I was talking about that goes up under here. That's it right there, that long piece. Goes under there. Putting that in, A, B, C, and D. Putting your thing together. Put that on. Guys, if I could make one suggestion that's different, I would wait before you put this bumper on until the chassis is already on. Because what happens a lot of times is as you go to put the body and chassis together, you have to spread the body apart a little bit, and a lot of times that pops your bumpers right off, and it's just very frustrating. It can be done, but it's so much easier to put it together first, then put the bumpers on. Okay, and the rear panel goes on after that, right there. Then you do your detail on your interior of your engine. There's the bottom of the air cleaner, top of the air cleaner. Here's the scoop for the stock version. Okay. Alright, that makes sense now. And then the custom version is the one that's got the cutout for the blower. And put your mirror on. You get one mirror. A little tiny little mirror, look like a little spotlight. And then you got your decal placement, which is there. Okay. Gloss red. Oh, okay. They're saying paint the whole vehicle red. The shaded areas are red, okay. And then metallic silver if you wanted to do the box version, but the box version, it looks orange, unless that color was called red in 69, I don't know. Alright, and there's some decal, and that's it, folks. That is the Revell 1969 Dodge Super B unboxing. A 2-in-1 kit. Hope you have yourselves a great day. I thank you all for stopping by. We'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.